Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tip, just a few minutes here, about unhooking your trailer, a safety aspect of unhooking your trailer. What I'm going to show you is your safety chain. Let that be the very last thing that you disconnect when everything is finished. And I'm going to show you an example of why. I've got my trailer scotched, but not scotched close. I'm going to go ahead and pull the pin, unlatch the hitch, and I'm going to jack it up. Now this doesn't matter if it's a flatbed trailer like this or if it's your camper, but if you're on unlevel ground, and most people will be, when that trailer comes above your ball, it can do that. Now this one didn't roll far because I got scotches behind the back wheels of the trailer, but if I didn't have the scotches in place properly, this thing would have just kept going. No telling how far it would have went or what it would have damaged. But I never unhook my safety chains until I'm sure that the trailer is secure and sitting on its own. Because if it starts rolling, you need something to stop it. And you don't want that to be something that it can damage. So that's my safety tip for today. When you're unhooking your trailer, let the safety chains be the very last thing you unhook. If you like my safety tip here, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow. It also helps you find other safety tips as well as do-it-yourself kind of projects. So thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.